Now for an update on a story that we've been following for nearly 2 years now. Murder charges were filed today in the death of a boy from Placerville. 11-year-old Roman Lopez was first reported missing back in January of last year. His body was found hours later in the basement of the family home.
This week, nearly 2 years after his death, prosecutors added murder charges to the case against the boy's father, Jordan Piper, and stepmother, Lindsay Piper. KCRA 3's Melanie Wingo spoke with people who are now focused on justice for the little boy who disappeared from their neighborhood.
Abe Munoz remembers when an 11-year-old boy disappeared from his neighborhood in January of 2020.
It was a really sad time for the whole community.
He also remembers when Roman Lopez's body was discovered in a storage bin a day later at the home where he lived with his father and stepmother.
It was a really shocking and disturbing event, for sure.
An autopsy on Roman's body found no obvious signs of trauma, but Placerville police detectives said at the time the boy died under suspicious circumstances and that Roman was severely malnourished and dehydrated at the time of his death. Then, in February of this past year, more than a year after the discovery of Roman's body, police arrested the boy's father and stepmother, Jordan Piper and Lindsay Piper. At the time, the couple was charged with child abuse, poisoning, and torture.
I haven't heard a lot about it, so I'm assuming that they've been doing their due diligence in collecting evidence and trying to put together a case.
After several more months and very few new details being released publicly about the investigation, the Pipers face new charges in connection to Roman's death. Now, Roman's father and stepmother are also charged with murder.
I think it's horrible, and if the parents are to blame and if they're responsible, which it sounds like they probably are, then I hope that they get what they deserve.
A community brought together by tragedy, continuing to push for justice for Roman.
And I think that if this is kind of the beginning of the finale of the whole situation, I think it will bring some closure and some peace to the community.
The El Dorado County District Attorney is handling this case. Tonight we reached out for comment, but he was not available for an interview. Reporting from Placerville, Melanie Wingo, KCRA 3 News.
The Pipers were set to be rearraigned today on what's called an amended complaint with those murder charges added to their case. That's now scheduled for the middle of next month. And here's a timeline of events in this case. Roman Lopez was reported missing on Saturday, January 11th. Placerville police sent us this picture of him asking for help to find him.
The very next day, Roman's body was found. Police immediately called the death suspicious, but they released no details about where they found his body.
On January 15th, investigators announced the autopsy was complete, but they did not release details about what caused Roman's death. Authorities said that releasing information could jeopardize their investigation.
And for more than a year, there was no information until February when Jordan and Lindsay Piper were arrested.